kugira ngo akingire ikibaba Francis.
You are not my family.
Warware ntabwo uri mu muryango wanjye.
You were a job.
Wewe wari akazi nakurindaga.
This is my job.
Naka rero ndimo nakazi ndi kubakoramo akazi. Gwiki?
Because I took you fishing, you thought I was your...
Kubera nakujyanye kuroba amafi waketse ko ndi nka papa wawe.
Now give me that blade.
Mumereze urwo rwembe mbere yuko biba bibi. Uyu musaza ntabwo ari wabashimuse, niko bamutumye gusa ngo azagaragaze ko ari wabashimuse. Nawe bamushimutiye umukobwa. Gusa umwana yabikekaga ko uyu musaza atari umuntu mubi.
Come out here again.
Ntutume nongera kugaruka hano wa muginga we. Ibintu bitaba bibi. Gende mu kazi kose nshinzwe. Kumbe uyu musaza ntari biri yarindaga uyu mwana wa perezida. Gusa agomba kugaragaza ko ari ubiri inyuma kugira ngo ikiyeba gikingire ikibaba. Na n'ubu ikiyeba kibarimo niyo leta yaza gutabara bara bose yabarasa kikagitabara ikavuga turi intwari wa mugabo we. Mugabo yigira idage ariko ni urwebe ni urugabo rubi. Umusubize mu mwobosha.
Take that blade, Mr. Hurst.
Zana urwo rwembe wa mugabo we. Bogisi y'amenyo. Mwakira imbunda yanyu. No musirikare. Sano no munsubize mu mwobo ariko byibura mukuye iryinyo. Baramukeneye ntago bamurasa. Ni umukomanda nyine ntago upfa kumutwara bundi umukomanda yazi kutari bumurasa ako kanya. Byibura ari bukunda ari bugukurira iryinyo kavuga ati ntago bahita banyica baracyanyeneye. Byibura akumva umujinya uragabanutse.
Where did you get this? The fact that I have it means he's connected to the kidnapping.
Uyu mugabo ikarita twabonye asa nkaho harahuriye no gushimuta kandi uyu mugabo twaramubonye we n'uyu mugore baraziranye yaramukoreye ndetse bajyaga banirwanaho.
You're not surprised that I have this.
Ntago utunguye kuba mfite ikarita.
It's not his real name, is it?
Amazina y'nyakuri ntago arayo ari ku ikarita.
What exactly did he do for you?
Yagukoreye iki mugabo?
Pharmaceutical division had a contract with the Central Intelligence Agency and you...
Nari mfitanye kontra na Central Intelligence Agency ubwo ni CIA. Uyu mugabo iyo kontra nari mfite yitwa Jonas, niwe wakurikiranaga iby'iyo kontra yatanye na CIA.
Ran that contract.
Niwe wayikurikiranaga.
What exactly did he do?
Yagukoreye iki?
I don't know.
Ntago mbizi.
Classified project and I did.
Yari projet y'ibanga nanjye ntago nari nemerewe kuba nayimenyaho byinshi gusa uyu mugore afite